Hi, my name is Scott Caldwell. I first came to Seattle Unity in 1987. I was going through kind of an upheaval in my life. I'd been through a pretty severe health crisis. I just turned 40. I had been fired by the board of directors of a theater that I had started. And it was kind of a Steve Jobs moment. I felt humiliated. I felt angry. I felt lost. I didn't know what was going to happen next. I had a family to provide for. So I was really in tumult. So that was my first timid entrance into Unity. I came to a Wednesday night session and there was a guy talking about transitions. And he used what's now a very familiar metaphor, but it was new to me, of sort of the acrobat who is letting go of one trapeze and hasn't yet grabbed the next one. And that was where I was at, and it was just, I feel seen. This is helpful to me. Even now, I noticed this morning, I get surprised. This place surprises me in very positive ways. And so I'd say to somebody who is new, come be surprised. Come be curious. It's not what you think. It's not what you think church is going to be. I guarantee you, it will not be what you might expect.